Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your vector brush on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Home or the Files button down below to select your document. After that, you should go to this section in the left side of the screen where you find this column and click on the third brush. Tap on the brush again, and here you can find all of the vector brushes available in the All section. You have 4 categories: basic, jitter, manga, and outline. So tap on them and check out which one would you like to choose. If you want to add any of these brushes to your favorites, click on the star icon in the right side next to the brush. Check out all of the options. Here you can find them. And you can check out your favorites ones in the favorite section next to the All button. If you go back and tap on this brush down below, you can set the color of your brush as well as the size of it. The smoothing can be set to, and you can add brush settings so you can see how it looks like. If you draw on this white area, you can select the roundness and the angle of it too. As you go back, you will be able to draw with it and try it out. So that's how it works. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.